Nagsalita po ang ating mahal na Secretary John Vic na ang nagplano po rito, o yung pagkaintindi namin, itong apat na pinangalanan ang siyang nagplano.
I said it was not me. There were other people in the room, but we did not discuss any plans of any arrest.
Oh, really, huh?
And was that the plan from the very
Yes, from the
beginning?
very
What was, and who was really on top of this? Ikaw ho ba nagplano ng lahat ng ito?
Hindi naman. It was a group effort. Secretary Chodoro was there, Secretary Anyo was there too, and the President and I.
Sinabi ninyo na hindi kayo mag-isa na nagplano, kundi isang
There was no
grupo.
planning, ma'am.
Pero yun ang sabi eh.
I said, hindi ako nagplano. Marami
May
kaming-
isang grupo na
Ang-
nagplano.
We were all talking about a rumor, ma'am. And that was all.
Rumor lang yon.
Yes, ma'am.
Group effort ang sabi mo eh. Pero para lamang sa kaprasong chismis, magtitipon-tipon pa yung mga sekretary ng kabinete. Nakakatuwa naman.
But what you may, ma'am?
Walang magawa.
The only information we got was the words of the former president in Hong Kong.
Sa Hong Kong.
Sa Hong Kong, ma'am.
Na andyan na.
Yes, ma'am.
Siya pang nauna, hindi kayo.
Yes, ma'am.
Nakakatuwa, ano?